In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the group notifications for any specific group or basically all the groups on WhatsApp in an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just open up WhatsApp, and let's say that I want to turn off the group notifications for that specific group. I'll just click on this group, and from here we click on the three dots on the top and click on the community info. From here we head over to the announcements. We have two tabs basically. One is community, one is announcements. We'll click on announcements, and from here, if we scroll down a little bit, you will see notifications. Click on that, and right now it's set to all. So first of all, what we will do is mute notifications set to no. We will enable it to always, or you can set a specific time if you want to, like 8 hours or 1 month or so on. And notify for all, let's actually set it to highlights only, and you can set the alert tone instead of default to none, so that you never get the notifications alert from that specific group. Now this is for the specific group. Let's say that we want to disable it for all groups, because we have joined a couple of groups, and as you can see that we are receiving notifications day in day out for all these groups, and it's quite annoying, especially if you have online work like I'm recording this video right now. It causes so much of a problem. So in that case, we will click on the bottom right hand corner where it says you, click on that, and from here we will head over to the notification section, which is right here. And from here you will just scroll down until you see this group notifications option. From here you will just toggle off the notifications for group, and that way you will not get notification alerts for any group basically. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.